Hey everybody, I'm Rob Byron, Product Management here at Vaddio, and today we're going to be showing you the IntelliSHOT in a lecture capture scenario. To give you some context, we are in a room that's about 36 feet wide, and I am about 32 feet away from the IntelliSHOT, so we're going to give you an example of how it works. This is using one of our preset configurations for auto framing, so I haven't done a ton of work getting it set up, and you can see it will follow you to wherever you're going, regardless of whether you're facing it or not. So you can get over here and you can know that you're going to look good, right? So you can see the text well represented, even though it's relatively small text. You're using that nice high quality module we have for that. So we also, because you have masking regions, you can see that the people who are in the audience are still in fact hidden from the auto framing technology. So you're able to mask out, students or anybody else, but you also have full control of the range that you're using. So you can go ahead and go along here and it will still follow you intelligently, right? This is the IntelliSHOT we're talking about. So again, I don't need to be facing it. Something that works regardless of whether you have a face at all, really. So it's good stuff. And you can see, we're going to go back over here to Beth and see that she's in here. I'll go ahead and give you an example of actually what the system is doing. So you can see here a couple of rectangles. That's where the system believes I am, which, as you can see, is where I am here. And you can see all of the masking regions we have defined by these blue rectangles here. So we can see we blocked off all the student section and we blocked off some of the harsh lighting above us. And you can see that the rectangle will follow me around as I move around the environment. So let's go ahead and look what this would look like if a professor was going over to a whiteboard and called a student over. So let's go ahead and let's go quickly. Let's pretend we're a very energetic professor today. So here we are. Beth, can you elaborate on this 2 + 2 = 4 and prove it out for me? So you can see as she gets up, the system, as she exits the masking area, it determines she's there, and then it'll narrow back down as we remain in this area long enough. See, there, good. Nice little star, gold star. I can't remember the last time I've gotten a gold star. So by now, the IntelliSHOT should be nice, framing us well, and as she leaves back to her seat and gets out or gets back into the masking area, it will ignore her and come back to me. And Professor Rob will be framed yet again. So here we are, back to myself, and we'll go back over here. So this has been a quick demonstration of the IntelliSHOT. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions or want to see more information, please visit us at legrandav.com. Thank you.